Americans in 2012. You got a wild hair. Well, actually, I think the statement was, about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, your statement was, I'm no closer to owning my own monster truck than I was 2 years ago. In a dramatic short time, things changed. You're no longer driving for somebody else in their equipment. You're now the proud owner of your very own.
Yeah, I'm very lucky. I got a lot of really good friends that helped me make that happen, and it's been a dream of mine forever to own a monster truck. I mean, what kid wouldn't want to own his own truck? So it's been great. Jeff Bander's been awesome. He taught me a lot. I learned a lot. Mark Walsh is here tonight. I started with him, learned a lot from those guys. But this is my hometown. I'm lucky enough to be here. I'm going to Spike and Taylor concerts, and I just love this place. All you guys have all been really, really great to me. I want to give everybody a hug after the show if we got time. So.
One of the cool things about Roger, he started right out there, just like those guys. He started right there as a little boy, as a dream, going to be a monster truck guy. Mike Wells got you into the business, Jeff Bander furthered your career, and then you kind of took it upon yourself to continue that American dream. I'm my own business myself, I'm a business owner. I feel that I'm living the American dream. And I gotta believe it, you're living not only the American dream, but the little boy, because you're getting older now, but you're still a little boy at heart.
Yeah, I'm just really excited to get this chance. I mean, a lot of things came together, and was just really lucky that I was in a position. And Dan has been great. Dan's he's a great guy. So we're gonna be great friends from here on out. This is the first time I met Dan, and we just had a great time. We're like long-time friends already. So.
I'll tell you the connection now between these guys. Airman Dan Evans has been campaigning on the Monster Jam scene as well as other monster truck tours around the nation. He's been known as Airman Dan the Destroyer for many, many years. He's got, not anymore, the truck has its very own Hot Wheels toy. That's how hard Dan worked for a lot of years. When you do something that you get your very own toy, that means you worked very hard to do that. So please welcome for the first time in the Tacoma Dome, Dan Evans and Team Hot Wheels. So the connection with you and Roger is Roger bought your hard work. He bought you and Lori's dedication, love, and investment. And now you get the opportunity to watch a young kid. Look at the excitement in his eyes. You still have that fire inside, but do you remember what it was like to be that guy?
The first thing I remember is being extremely scared. It's a tough competition out here, and you're right, we work very hard to get where we're at. But, on the other hand, if the truck had to go to a new owner, I don't think it could have went to a better person. I met Roger briefly. Actually, we talked on the phone a couple of times, and then he flew up to my house, and I realized this is the right guy for the Destroyer truck. And I wish him all the best of luck. He's a super guy. I've never heard of any person I've ever talked to say a bad word about him, and I know he's going to represent the Destroyer name as well as Lori and I did.
And that's kind of a cool thing too. I know that it's kind of hard probably to see your hard work, your labor, your love going down the road to somebody else, but knowing it's kind of like having a pet. When you give away a pet that you've had for a few years, you want to make sure it goes to a good home. And I've got to believe Roger and the boys from Maple Valley Towing are going to make a good home.
Yeah, definitely. Like I said, I don't think a better person could have got it. I mean, I'm not going to say it wasn't a sad part to see it go. That was built by my wife, son, and I. And we get here. I see my hauler pull in, and my race truck comes out, and it's like, wow, this is weird. But again, I can't stress enough. I think it's in the best hands that it could possibly want into. And now, Lori and I were looking at the new option, the new toy that we have. We had an awesome opportunity by Team Hot Wheels to hop in the seat of their brand new truck and perform with it. We're super excited about it. It's a great opportunity for us. And we're looking forward to finishing up the first quarter here. We want to get that truck into the World Finals and then venture on to Europe and Central America.
One of the great things about my job is I get to hang out with cool guys like Roger's guy. Roger's been a really dear friend to me over the years. And Dan Evans' guy, he's just a cool cat. I tell you what, if you guys guys ever get a chance to check out Speed Channel's Monster Jam program, you're going to see Dan on there. Tonight, when you get a chance to go to the autograph party at East 17 and get him, he's just a cool cat. A lot of fun to be around. I truly appreciate you coming out. Thanks so much. Good luck in Team Hot Wheels. Roger, good luck with Team Destroyer. Fans, here are the stars of Monster Jam. Roger Steindl and Dan Evans. All right, here's the side note on this. Last night, I made a little bit of a bet that Roger was going to run the truck into the ground. Unfortunately, in freestyle and broken transmission, he didn't get to